How to add admin on Facebook page using mobile. It's quite easy and simple to add admin on Facebook page using mobile, whether it's iPhone or Android devices. So without much ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app on your device. Ensure to log into your account and switch to your Facebook page if you haven't yet. For that, tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen and now select the small arrow next to the profile name. Here you will get all the list of your account where you need to select your Facebook page, tap on it and switch to it. After you have switched on it, select the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll a bit down. Now find the option of page setup, tap on it. Now tap page access. Here you need to select people with Facebook access and tap add new button. Tap next button and you need to enter the name or username whom you want to add admin on Facebook page using mobile. Once you search for the name or email, tap on the user and now you need to tap give access button. If you wish to allow this person to also have full control, toggle on the button. Now tap give access and add the profile password and tap confirm button. Now an invitation has sent to that user. When that user will accept your invitation, it will successfully add admin on Facebook page using mobile. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe for more tech and tips and thank you for watching.